Hi guys! Leora's gonna brush her teeth tonight before she go to
bed.
Okay. Okay, so first we're gonna brush the
Apple.
upper teeth. Up, brush. Say, Leora's gonna say E. Say E, Leora.
Show mommy tongue.
Show mommy your tongue. How about the teeth? Say E. Say E, say E. Say E.
Show mommy tongue.
Later, E first. E. How about the inside? Good job. Ah, say ah. Say ah. Good, good.
Tongue.
How about your tongue? How about the upper teeth? Upper. Good girl. How about the inside upper teeth? Say ah. Say ah. How about the tongue? How about the new teeth of Leora? Say ah. Say ah, anak. Say ah. You have new teeth here. Brush, brush, brush.
Show mommy your tongue.
Show mom your tongue. How about the teeth here? That side, this side will be. Can I see? Say ah. Say ah. Ah, she's crying, guys. I don't know why she's crying. Oh, see? Don't show. Don't show them you're crying. Say E. All done? All done?
Yes.
All done. Yes, what?
Apple.
Okay, good. Ay, naglalagay ka?
Boom. Ay, Focky.
What?
Ay, Focky.
Ay, Cookie. Ay, siya pala bibig pa?
Boom. And the brushing teeth.
All done brushing teeth.
More.
Can you count your teeth, Leora?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow.
Mommy too.
How about mommy too? Can you count mommy's teeth too?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The mouth.
How about
1.
what color is your teeth? Can I see your teeth? What color is your teeth?
Right.
That's white. Really? Can I see if it's white? Oh yeah, it's white. How about mommy's teeth? What color is mommy's teeth?
White.
White too? Really?
What color
I thought it's black. What color? What?
Black.
Black is?
White.
What's that? What's this? It's a
Hair.
hair. How about this? What's this?
Nose.
This one?
Mole.
It's mole. Aray ko! Ayan na naman guys. Oh. Kinalmot pa naman niya ako. How about Leora? What animal is this? Roar! Roar! What animal is that?
Cow.
Roar!
Tiger.
Tiger. How about this? Ay, you have here, anak. Sorry. What animals is this?
Snake.
Snake. How about
Elephant.
elephant? How about
Monkey. Monkey.
How about
Owl.
owl? How about rabbit? Rabbit.
Frog.
Frog.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
How about... Ay, oh, be careful, anak. How about... Neigh?
No.
Neigh. What's that?
Horse.
A horse. How about meh? Meh.
Goat.
Goat. How
I'm
about...
marrying that horse.
What do you want?
Daddy. Daddy for Mama.
Oh, lady for mama what?
Daddy for Mama Pig.
And?
Pop.
Frog. What do you want?
Dog.
Dog.
He's that out.
What's that sound? What's that sound?
Oh no. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Huh? Two.
Achoo. Can you sing? Old MacDonald.
Oh me Johnny, I pop. E-I-E-I-O. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
They will
Oh, the red one. The red one.